Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find security settings on your account on X Twitter easy and quick. First click on your profile here, now click settings and privacy, and now click security and account access, and here as you see you'll find security settings. Here you can manage it if you want, and that's it. That's how to find security settings on your account on X Twitter easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.